Hey, my name is Mark. I was ASE Master Technician, worked for a Cross dealership for about 30 years. This is about the PT Cruiser turbos. If you still have one of these vehicles, God bless you. They're fun vehicles to drive. I own 3 of them. Sent all my children to college in them. One problem with the vehicles is that the computers cook in these vehicles. Unfortunately, the turbocharger is about 6 inches away from the computer for the vehicle. It causes a number of problems, including the dreaded P0031, P0037 code. It also causes many other issues with the computers, including meltdowns. I've got a simple fix for this. It may not be a complete fix, but it's very effective. The inside temperature of this vehicle, when you shut it off in the summer times with the hood closed, it'll get up to 450, 500 degrees under the hood. Computer just can't take it. So I've got a little simple modification that lowers the underhood temperature about 120 degrees, pulls the heat away from the computer, and is very effective, and it's worked out really well for me. And I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. Well, you want to open up the hood. You want to remove the upper seal from the firewall. You'll have this lip right here. It's about a 1.5 inch lip. You'll want to cut 2 slots in it. I use a just a grinder. If you don't have a grinder, pin snips will work just fine. Snip right through it. Then you'll want to fold this section back. Again, it's not hard to do. Once you get it cut and get it folded back, what I do is I take my seal, I put it back up in position, mark the spots that the opening is in, and then I cut those 2 sections. Then you'll end up with 3 separate pieces, which can be reinstalled back on the vehicle. The effect you're trying to create, of course, is a section here where there's an opening, so when the hood is shut, instead of being completely sealed, once the vehicle is shut off, it will create a chimney effect and allow a great majority of the heat to dissipate through this area here, instead of building up under the hood and overheating the computer. And in just a few minutes, this is what you'll end up with. About an 8 inch by a 1.5 inch opening. Again, this will allow the heat to get out of the vehicle up under the hood when the vehicle's turned off. Okay, with that quick and simple modification, that will lower the underhood temperatures of your vehicle after you've shut it off and are sitting still with the hood shut. I know there's probably a number of engineers out there rolling their eyes and saying that it won't work. But from my backwoods experience, I can tell you that it does. It's very effective. The computers can be repaired. A quick unsolicited shout out to SIA Electronics in Tilton, Illinois. They're the ones who repair my computers. They've done it very reasonably, and they stand behind their work, so I highly recommend them. So with that done and that said, keep driving.